kung sino nakikinig from the government, this is the Senate of the Philippines. We are allegedly under attack.
We are under attack! Nanawagan kami dito. Dito ka, nandito yung kapatid na babae. Ismail ka dyan. We are under attack! Kasi yung kapatid na babae gumagano sa likod.
Vice ganda, inulan ng batikos matapos pinaglaruan ang seryoso at nakakatakot na panawagan ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Welcome back to Philippine Celebrity Broadcast. Trending at viral ngayon sa mundo ng social media ang ginawa ni Vice Ganda na tila ginawang biro ang nakarang live ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano na humingi ng saklolo sa ilang government agency para respondihan ang kanyang seryosong panawagan sa isang live broadcast sa Facebook noong May 13, 2026 na isa sa kanyang nabanggit ay alleged attack ang Senado.
Okay, so si Senator Loren at si Senator Pia finally got in touch with the NBI director. So they're here, they're here in the room. We have to turn off the lights dahil may putukan na nangyayari. Si Senator Pia and si Senator Loren called the NBI director. He said wala daw sila dito dahil pinaalis daw nila dito. So he said, please find out what's happening kasi nagpuputukan. Sabi niya walang magagawa kasi pinaalis. And then he started saying, wag kami magtaas ng boses. What will you do, Director, kung may putukan na at lahat ng staff mo at yung mga usaan mo naka-vest na lahat and hindi malaman mangyayari? What would you do? Hindi ba dapat ang sagot mo, ma'am, sir, I'll go there, I'll make sure you'll help?
That's what I was expecting him to say. When Senator Loren was talking to him very calmly, I said, what are you gonna do about this? Pinuputukan kami dito. Tapos sabi niya, hindi kami makalapit, pinalis niyo kami dyan. Sabi ko, well then do your job, make us safe, this is not good. Ma'am, wag mo ako sigawan. Yun lang ang masasabi mo sa akin. Pinuputukan kami, sasabihin mo sa akin, wag kitang sigawan. Sumisigaw ako dahil mataas ang emotion.
So I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari. So yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. So the emotions are high here because bakit kami paalisin? We're waiting for the articles of impeachment and we're having a meeting. Nasabi lang dadating na. So again, no, kung sino nakikinig from the government, this is the Senate of the Philippines. We are allegedly under attack. The Sergeant of Arms has confirmed na may putukan na dito. So please, kung sinong nanonood, sinong nakikinig, we expect yung tawagan namin would understand the emotions here and will say we'll do something about it. No? So the rest, mga nasa Senate, turn off the lights, stay low. Kung may active shooters, follow the protocols.
Bagamat maraming netizens ang natuwa at natawa sa ginawa ni Vice Ganda, ngunit umani rin ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon at batikos na para sa iba ay hindi raw ito dapat ginagawang biro at katatawanan dahil isa itong nakakatakot at seryosong usapin. Para sa buong kwento, narito ating panoorin ang video. Narito ang video.
Ikaw ang ama. Dilaw siya, green ka, ikaw yung mangga.
Wait lang! Guys! We are under attack! We are under attack!
We are under attack! Nanawagan kami dito. Dito ka, nandito yung kapatid na babae. Ismail ka dyan. We are under attack! Kasi yung kapatid na babae gumagano sa likod.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video at kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat!